Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this 2021 Softail Heritage. It is in the Billiard Teal color, but kind of similar to how the Tahitian teal color from 2020 was. It shows up more blue in pictures and video, but it is a teal color. Really pretty bike. Only 189 miles, I believe. Yep, 189 miles. Basically a brand new bike. Should have some of the factory warranty left on it, at least at the time this video was made. I believe it is absolutely bone stock, other than some Vance Hines slip-ons. It is obviously in perfect condition with that few of miles on it. These bikes come standard with ABS, cruise control, the keyless security ignition system. These newer Heritages have the hard bags that are lockable, watertight with this gasket around the top. Quite an upgrade from the old soft bags. Yeah, I got the Vance Hines slip-on exhaust on there. Sounds really good. Real good deep tone. Let's take a listen to it real quick. Inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come check this thing out in person, take it for a test ride, check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. All right, y'all come see us.